Hi, hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again with the chapter 4 of marketing subject. The topic for the chapter 4 is creating offering. This is the learning objective for this chapter. Number 1 is distinguish between the three major components of offering. There are product, price, and service. Number 2 is explain from both of product dominant and service dominant approach the mix of components that compose different types of offering. Number 3, distinguish between technology platform and product lines. Define the various types of offering market to the individual consumer. And then the last one is explain why a single offering might be marketed differently to the different types of consumer. Number 1, what composes of an offering? Offerings are the entire bundle of a tangible goods, intangible service, and price that composes when what a company offers to customer. There are 3 points of offerings. Number 1 is product. It's a tangible good that can be bought, sold, and owned. Number 2 is price. Price is the amount exchanged by the buyer to receive the value offered by the product or service. And number 3 is service. Services is an intangible component of an offering. This is the product level. There are product category. For the example, product category is music player versus mobile phones. And in the product category, that's our product line. For the example is iPod lines. And in the product line, have a technology platform. For the example is MP3 format. And the technology platform is in the under is the technology platform is product. For the example is Shuffle. This is the product lines. Product lines is there are 2 product lines are. Number 1 is product mix. It means the entire assortment of product that firm offers, and then product line is a group of offerings that serve similar needs and are sold under the same name. Line depth is the number of variations in a single product line. And then the product line number 2 is line extension. It means a new idea or offering that occurs when a company comes out with another model, related product or service based on the same platform and brand as one of its other products. And then number 3 is line breadth, the number of different or distinct product lines offered by the company. This is the type of consumer offering. Number 1 is convenience offering. It means low price, frequently purchased product or service that require a little shopping effort. Number 3 is impulse offering, an offering that is purchased on impulse without prior planning. Number 3, shopping offering is mean an offering for which the consumer will make an effort to compare various offerings and select a brand. Number 4 is specialty offering. It means an offering that is highly differentiated from the other offering that in designed to satisfy a similar need or one. Number 5 is unsought offering. It means an offering consumer don't typically shop for until it's needed. For example, include funeral and towing services. The type of business-to-business offering. Number 1 is capital equipment offering. That are tangible equipment business purchase that are depreciated. Number 2, raw material offering. Raw material product firm over their other firms so they can make a product or provide a service. Number 3 is original equipment manufacturer or OEM offerings. It means a company that assemble and manufacture a product into its final form. Maintenance, repair, and operation or MRO offering is offerings used to maintain, repair, and operate the physical assets of the organization. Number 5, facilitating offering is mean offering that support an organization's ability to do business but do not go into the final product. This is a branding, labeling, and packaging. Brand is a name, picture, design, or symbol or combination of those elements used by a seller to differentiate its offering from competitors. Branding is a set of activities designed to create a brand and position in the mind of consumers. Brand name is spoken part of the identity used to describe of a brand. Brand mark is a symbol or logo used to identify a brand. Brand extension is the process of utilizing an existing brand name or brand mark for a new product category. And then cannibalization is when a new product sells away from some company's existing product. This is the packaging function. Number one is communicating the brands and its benefit, and then protecting the product from damage and contamination during shipment, as well as damage and tampering once it's in retail outlets. Number three is preventing leakage of a content. Number four, presenting government required warning and information labels. And then packaging function is a tool, part of in-store display design to promote the offering. This is the packaging decision. There are three decisions for packaging. Number one is primary packaging. It's main packaging designed to hold a single retail unit of a product. Secondary packaging, packaging designed to hold a single wholesale unit of product. And then there are tertiary packaging. It's main packaging designed for they can serve as part of the in-store display, thereby adding value for your retails, shipping, and efficiently handling of large quantity of product. This is managing the offering, brand manager, product manager, category manager, market manager, and B2B manager. This is the new offering development process. Now, step number one is idea generation. Idea generation is the basic idea to create or describe a product. Step number two is idea screening. It means the cost, profit, and potential sales of offering are calculated at different price level. The company also consider how well do the offering fits in with its competitive strategy. Step number three is feature specification. It means detailed specification for the product are developed. Its feature and pricing are established. Step number four is development. It means actual offering is designed. Product is designed. Number five, testing. It means the offering is tested. First in the lab and then with real customer. Number six, launch or commercialization. In this step, the offering of product is made available to customer. And then the last step number 7 is evaluation. In this step, manufacturing or marketing must the offering is evaluated as to whether it is delivering to appropriate value to the customer as well as meeting the firm's business goal. This is product lifestyle. There are 4 stages of lifestyle. Number 1 is introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. This is the introduction stage. It's the different stage of the product life cycle after product is launched. There are 2 strategies in introduction stage. Number 1 is penetration pricing strategy, and number 2 is skimming pricing strategy. Stage number 2 is growth stage. It means the stage of life cycle in which sales increase and more competitors enter the market. Number 3 is state of maturity. It means the state of product life cycle at which sales begins to level off and competitors have saturated the market. There are 3 strategies on maturity stage. It means there are Downsize,